My name is Troy from Natural Selection Adventure Racing, and what I've decided to do is start a series of videos to help along a newbie when it comes to adventure racing, what to expect on a race, how to do on the trail repairs. As you can see, I'm actually out now on my grooming course that I've been grooming this winter for cycling, for mountain biking, for training purposes. And I've got my trusty DaVinci with me. Now, today, since it happens to be a coincidence, so that's the grooming trailer with my tire that I just brought down for tire pulling to help compact the trail. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is today we're going to learn how to fix a flat tire. So that's my DaVinci. That's a 26er. My good bike's home. And the first thing you need to do is, well, you have to have the number for the guy in your team that fixes the tires. Yeah, hello, Andrew? Yeah, man, I'm out on the trail here. I got a flat. Okay, so you'll be right here? Great, thanks. See you in a bit. So as you can see, it's fixing a tire. There's actually not that much to it. You just call the guy in your team that knows how to fix a tire. Next week we'll do another video, maybe navigation or maybe food, something like that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.